Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to be a nice person. Oh, hello! Get off the screen. You're ruining the video. How to be a nice person. Oh, I'm terribly sorry about that. Some people just have no manners and they think that they can just walk around while a video is trying to be produced. Oh, can you help me? No, not now. I'm recording. Can you not hear me speaking to the camera? Can you go away? Don't make me attack you. It's just going to end badly for you. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to wear nice clothes. Don't wear anything that's inappropriate or offensive, just like this t-shirt here. This is so awful and vile that I've had to blur it out because YouTube would definitely ban this video if they could see what is written on this t-shirt. It's just vulgar. Oh, just looking at it burns my eyes a little bit. That is appalling. Ooh. Well, I'm going to have to take this off as soon as possible, to be honest. Oh dear, what was I thinking? The next step that you'll need to know in order to become a nice person is to say please and thank you as often as possible. What do you think you're doing? I told you, don't come in my room. Get out of here. You're not welcome. What do you think you're doing? You want to get out. I've had enough of it. I'm up to here with you. Up to here. Can you believe this? I don't know what is going on. I don't know why you're here. Why can't you just go away, please? You're really annoying. Please, get out of here. Can't believe it. I'm going to have to do this. I'm going to make me. Don't make me come over there. Don't make me. I'm about to. I will. Thank you. The next thing that you'll need to do in order to become a nice person is smile. If you smile, then people will see you as non-threatening and instead find you very welcoming and friendly. A smile can go a long way and be more impactful than simply saying nice words. So don't forget to smile. Something like this perhaps. This is what being a nice person is all about. Just a smile. Now the next thing that I teach you is extremely important to become a nice person, and that of course is to share. You'll find that people who share stuff with you tend to be extremely nice. Now I've gone to the trouble to share all of this information with you all. Make of it what you will, but I personally believe that that is an extremely kind gesture. I told you, you're not welcome here. Get out. If you come back here again, I'll have you for trespassing. This is my time, not yours. Both of us cannot share this room, so get out or else. Don't swear at me. Who do you think you are? Ooh, you're a big man. You can swear. Ooh, look at me. I'm a big man. Ooh, I can swear at people. Rude, you are. Rude. Now get out. Shoo. Well, I'm sorry about that, but there's just so many idiots around, always trying to ruin your day, but it hasn't ruined my day, because I'm mentally tough, so I'm not affected by stuff like that. But just be careful, because if you're not as mentally tough as I am, then you could get affected and it could spoil your mood, possibly make you not a nice person anymore, and you have to build it up again. You don't want to. Right, that's it. You get out of here, you. No, I'm done. No, that's the final straw. Can't put up with this. It's just ruined this entire video. I was trying to teach you all, but how can I? Just interrupted every few seconds. There were a few other things that I could have taught you, but there's no point now. It's ruined. I'll see you later. What an absolute disaster this was. Wow, just wow, can you believe this outro? Look at it. It's got colours and everything. That's just incredible. Look, even the text is moving. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Best outro I've ever seen. Please, thank you.